Okay, morning, Mr. Ho.
Morning, doctor.
How are you feeling today, sir?
Good.
Good.
Great.
Great, lah. You're going to do your M shape and your crown. So almost most of the head today, lah.
Thank you.
How are you feeling today before we begin?
Before I came here, I've been nervous lah. Actually, it took me about 12 months before ready for this process. If you can look back my record, I've been here 12 months before, come for a consultation, but mentally I'm not ready lah. But only today come.
After long research, you finally decided, lah.
Yeah.
But then you chose this center.
Yes.
What made you choose this center in particular?
I do follow yours so-called this FB all this thing. I do study on your testimony when what the customer saying about the clinics, the service that they provide. So what's the success rate? How polite? How they conduct all this so-called the hair transplant and the follow-up method lah. I'm quite confident lah after years of continued follow-up on the social media with your clinics as well.
Okay, you have put a lot of faith after your research. I give you my word, we will live up to all the expectations also. Okay,
Thank
sir?
you, doctor.
Looking forward to your journey as well,
Thank
sir.
you.
Give a thumbs up.